I'm Anupi with Indian as Apple Pie. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to talk about egg salad and making it not with eggs at all, but making it with tofu. I actually call this recipe mock egg salad, and you can make it so easily if you have a few key ingredients on hand, including firm tofu. I use Ichiban. I love it. And then we've got some crunchy vegetables like onion, celery, carrots. We've also got mayonnaise, but I use a plant-based mayonnaise. There's lots of different options out there now. And key spices. The spices you're gonna want especially today include some turmeric, which will give your dish that yellow sort of appearance that a regular egg salad would have, as well as an ingredient that if you have not tried yet, you really do need to get your hands on. It's a spice called kala namak, or black salt. It is called black salt, though it looks pink, because when it gets a little wet, it turns a little dark and gets blackish in color, but it gives whatever you're adding it to a pop in flavor, and it has a sulfuric tang to it. So it kind of gives you that feeling and taste, the umami of eggs. So let me show you what we've got going on here on my cutting board. Let's just take the camera and showcase our block of tofu. Very simply take it out of the container, no need to really drain it, and we're gonna take the back of a fork and just mash it down. Very easy to do. Again, you want this to be a firm tofu. You can do that with a fork, you can do it with your hands, back of a spatula, whatever you want to do. I love making this when I need just something a little different for my lunch options. Here is the mayonnaise. Now, again, I use a plant-based mayonnaise, which is very easy to find these days. You could use a regular mayonnaise if you'd like. So we've got 19 ounces of tofu in here mashed down. We've got half a cup of the mayonnaise or non-mayonnaise. And then we want to put our crunchy veggies in. I've got a half cup of onion. It could be yellow onion, it can be a red onion, whatever you want to do. I love celery. Half a cup of carrots diced. And let's give it a mix. And it'll all start to pull together because of that mayonnaise, regular or plant-based. And again, if you see any little clumps of tofu, just mash them down. Very important to use a firm tofu in this recipe so it holds up. And now let's put our spices in. So we've got here half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne, for a little tiny bit of heat, a teaspoon of black pepper ground. Now, it's very nice to get that mix of the turmeric and the black pepper. It's very healthy for you. Let's put that right in here. Lots of antioxidants, anti-inflammatories. I also like to get in a half to 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. It's okay if you don't have it, but it adds a little bit of a lemony taste profile to your salad. Regular salt and then some black salt is what's in this bowl. A half teaspoon of black salt, a teaspoon of regular salt, and folks, that is it. Let's mix this all together so it comes together beautifully. And the turmeric, that yellowness of the turmeric, will just infuse your salad, your mock egg salad or your tofu salad, so that it looks like egg salad. Remember, a lot about eating has to do with the appeal of the color and how nice your dish looks. You really want to take that opportunity to not only add all the healthiness from the turmeric powder, but also just make it look like egg salad. And then what I like to do is I like to get a rice cracker and take a dollop of this, spread it out, and folks, for me, that's lunch. Super simple to do, super delicious, and really, really healthy. It's a nice change of pace if you want to switch it up a little bit, or if you do eat plant-based. Again, mock egg salad made from tofu, some spices, and some mayonnaise or plant-based mayonnaise. Super simple to do. Hope you enjoyed it, folks. For more recipe tips, go to my website, indianasapplepie.com. I'll see you again soon. Bye.